We're trying to make a chicken for my sister for her birthday.
You are beautiful, so baby, let me know.
This bowl of cookie dough right here was probably not the best idea.
Damn, what's her name? 'Cause I'm overly attracted and terribly convinced that she could be my princess and I could be her prince. And I felt that way since
Are you failing right now?
saw JaneDoe.
No, but this is great. It's like a mustache. Oh my gosh, let's put a mustache on it. Oh, she's gonna love it. Stealing. Works that well for you.
JaneDoe, I don't even know you better for sure, but I could get to know you if you let me know your name. Damn, what's her name? 'Cause I'm overly attracted and terribly convinced that she could be my princess and I could be her prince. And I felt that way since I saw JaneDoe. She's everything I want.
Here, I'll turn it down. You don't have to.
She's everything I want.
Getting a whole 360. Dude, that doesn't look half bad, actually.